Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Riverside, California, to the site of the very first McDonald's. I guess there's one in Illinois who says they're also the first, but they were here first in Riverside. It was originally the two brothers opened up a barbecue hamburger spot on this spot, and then they turned into McDonald's. And then later on, the owner of Juan Pollo Chicken created a museum. So let's go check it out. Again, thanks for visiting. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that like, leave a comment. Let's go check out the McDonald's Museum in Riverside, California. So Dick and Mac McDonald opened their first barbecue place here, barbecue hamburger place in 1940, and then opened up their first McDonald's. And so this is a museum about the history of that. A lot of artifacts, menus, uniforms.
What are you doing today?
Oh, that historical society and the museums, rural museum.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I was talking to Joe.
This is supposed to have the largest collection of McDonald's memorabilia in the world. A lot of Happy Meal toys.
Not yet 100 people. It's only, well, actually 107.
Oh, that's good. They get people in.
I think they came by and did a video with Marvin.
KBCR?
Yeah.
People know that Willard Scott, the weatherman, was the first Ronald McDonald.
It'd be interesting to see what he said.
There's just so much here. The camera doesn't even do it justice. Here are celebrities who worked at McDonald's. A bunch of stuff used in the movie The Founder. Shirt worn in the movie.
a museum, baby. It's a McDonald's museum.
There's just so much here.
You still have it? No.
We have McDonald's from around the world.
You have from different countries. Some are from
Japan, China, Philippines, Korea, Guam, India, Indonesia. I've actually eaten at the McDonald's in Italy. It was embarrassing, but middle of the night, our clocks were off and we were starving, and they were open, so we had McDonald's in Italy.
Yes, baby. Come here. Okay. Well, look at Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo's one of my favorites. Show me.
For a small place, this is packed with memorabilia.
Anything like foods that's American, like from like McDonald's and places like that. How does it even go for it? I can't see inside. I can't see. They're too high. You can tell with the shirts in there. Foundation. Right over here, look at.
Beanie Babies.
Somebody had a whole set of them.
You might see McDonald's friends in an upcoming episode. Spoiler. How do they get all this stuff? Did people just send it?
Competitor toys. Look at David got Burger King. How's it King? Mama, come in here. Well, let me see the Burger King ones first. It's competitor's toys.
There's Italy. I've been there.
Is that fun to play with them? Look down here. Those are called Furbies.
Remember when everybody had those glasses in their house? But no one I know had a complete set.
I've seen these before. Escape from these. From all these scary things.
I remember going to every McDonald's we could find to get my daughter those Wizard of Oz, and we got them all. It wasn't easy. And that was part of the thing. You'd collect these things and you'd have to buy Happy Meals to get the toys. Pretty smart.
Look at this is from when you would have been Mila's age. Another game, Dominic.
Please don't eat the displays. I once played the hamburglar. I once played, take two. I once played the hamburglar. Some kind of a festival, and McDonald's was sponsoring it, and they had some of the costumes, and they said, "Do you want to wear this all day?" So I did. People tried to get me to talk all day, because if you know, the hamburglar doesn't talk. That story has no ending, really. Sorry.
There's no price on it? You can't even get a. Tell you what, I know I had a high price on it. $1,030. I had like $60 on it. That was dirty. That yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
You like the Furbies the best? They still sell Furbies, huh, Tori? Oh, the Flintstone what? Furby? It's bigger though. That's fluffy. And they're big. They're about this big.
So 1940, Dick and Mac McDonald opened up the McDonald's barbecue here. And 20 car hops, 25 items on the menu. But barbecue ribs, beef pork sandwiches, making very popular. And that turned into McDonald's. A lot of weird stuff back here. So I guess the founder of Juan Pollo, if you don't know Juan Pollo, great chicken. He was kind of inspired by Ray Kroc and McDonald's, and so he bought this and made it into a museum. Bunch of statues out here and whatnot. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Interesting place. It's a lot, mainly Happy Meal toys from around the world, from back in time to now. There's some uniforms, some memorabilia from the movies and original stores. It's fun. It's interesting. It's free. And it's crowded. There are a lot of people here, which I'd love to see that. So yeah, if you're ever in San Bernardino, Riverside area, stop by the McDonald's Museum. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hit a comment. Where should we go next? Let us know. And I'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us.